Assalamualaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, Chapter 8, CQ 1 and 2. Today we will solve 2 CQ from Chapter 8. The name of the Chapter 8 is Information and Data. Dear students, this is lesson number 24 and HW number 21. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. Here, at first, we will solve CQ1. The question is, the secured marks in mathematics of 20 students of your class are. Here, marks of 20 students are given, and A number question is, what is data? B number question, arrange the data in ascending order, and C number question, find the arithmetic mean. Dear students, first question is, what is data? The numbers used in expressing and presenting the information of statistics are data. Here you are watching some numbers, and these numbers are used for expressing the marks of some students in statistics, so that we can say these numbers are data. Now we will write the definition of data. A number, data. The numbers used in expressing and presenting the information of statistics. Or data. This is the definition of data. Okay, now we'll solve B number. Here the question is, arrange the data in ascending order. Here total 20 data given. We have to arrange this data in ascending order. You know that ascending order means smaller to greater. At first we have to write the smallest number. Here among the numbers, which is the smallest, 30 is the smallest number here, and here 30 are written in 2 times. So we will write 230 at first. 30, 30, 230. Okay, at first we will write arranging the data, given data in ascending order. Arranging given data in ascending order. We get ascending order means smaller to greater. Smallest number here 30, and 230 exists here, so we'll write 230, 30, comma 30. Then 35 exists here. I think it is the smallest, except 30. Yes, 35, only 135. 35. So we'll write now 35. After 35, which number is the smallest here? 40 exists here. and 40. 2 times 40 exists here. 40 and 40s. So we'll write now 40 in 2 times. 40 and 40. Now after 40, here which number is the smallest? Here 50 exists. 50, 50, only 150, okay. We'll write now 50. Now then 50, which is the smallest? Here 60 exists. 2 times 60, 3 times 60. We'll write now 60 in 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Total 360. 60, 60 and 60. After 60 here, 65 exists here. Only 165. 1 time 65. Yes, only 1 time. So we'll write now 65. Then we are watching 70 exist here and another 70. 270 exist here. 170 and 270. 70 and 70. After 70 now, here 75 exists. Another 75 exists here. 275. 75 and 75. We'll write now 75 in 2 times. 75, comma 75. Now after 75 here 80. We are watching 80 exists here. 80. How many times? Only 1 times. 80. Now 85. Only 1 times. 85. Then 290 here exists. 1 and 290. 90 and 90. Then 95 and then 100. 95 then 100. Total 20 data. We will count now. How many data exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, all of data. We have written all of data. And this is the answer of B number. Now we will solve C number. The question of C number is find the arithmetic mean. At first we want to know what is arithmetic mean. If we divide the sum of the all collected data by the number of data, then we can get the arithmetic mean. Here some data given, we have to find out the sum of these given data, then we divide this sum by 20. Here number of data is 20. So at first we will find out the sum of the given data. C number here, sum of the given data. Sum of the given data is equal to, here first number is 30 plus 40 plus 35. 30 plus 40 plus 45. Then plus, 30 plus 40 plus 35. Third number is 35 here. It is 35. Plus 40 plus 35, then 50 plus 60 plus 70. 50 plus 60 plus 70. Then After 70, here 65 and 75. 65 plus 75 plus, then 60 plus 70 plus 60. 60 plus 70 plus 60. Then 30 plus 40 plus 80. 30 plus 40 plus 80 plus 75 plus 90 plus 100. 75 plus 90 plus 100 plus 95 plus 90 plus 85. 95 plus 90 plus 85. Okay, dear the students, now we'll find out the sum of this number. Here if we add these 20 numbers, then its sum will be 1300. That means 1300. 1300. Here number of data is 20. So we have to divide this 1300 by 20 for getting arithmetic mean. Here number of data is 20. Therefore arithmetic mean is equal to 1300. That means 1300 divided by 20. If we divide 1300 by 20, then answer will be 65, and this is the arithmetic mean. Answer will be 65. Answer 65. Okay, dear the students, we have finished C number also, and we have solved the CQ1. Now we'll solve 2 numbers CQ. At first we will read the question. Here CQ2 is the numeral values of some data are 9, 16, 14, 22, 17, 20, 11, 7, 19, 12 and 21. First question is, what do you mean by arithmetic mean? B number question, find the arithmetic mean of the above data, and C number question, find the median of the above data. First A number, what do you mean by arithmetic mean? Dear students, I have already said, if we divide the sum of the sum collected data by the number of data, then obtained number is called arithmetic mean. Now we'll write the definition. If the sum of some collected data if the sum of some collected data is divided by the number of data, then obtained data, data, then obtained number obtained number is called the arithmetic mean of the given data. Okay, dear the students, we have finished A number. Now we'll solve B number. Dear students, I will not give the full solution of B number. Here the question of B number is find the arithmetic mean of the above data. Similar types of math we have already done in C number of CQ1. So I think you will be able to solve B number. Here total 11 data given. At first you have to add these 11 data and you will get a sum. Then you have to divide this sum by 11 because number of data is 11. Then you will get the answer. I hope you will be able to solve B number. So I am not giving solution of B number. Now we will solve C number. Find the median of the above data. We have to find out the median of the above data. For finding out median of the above data, at first you have to write the given data in ascending or descending order. That means we have to organize the data in any way, in ascending order or in descending order. Here we will arrange the data in ascending order. Arranging the given data in ascending order. We get arranging the given data in ascending order. We get here 9, 16, 14, 20, 17, 27. I think 7 is the smallest here. So at first we will write 7. Then after 7, 9 is the smallest. So we will write down 9. Then here 11 exists. After 9 we will write now 11. Then after 11, 12 exists here, so we will write now 12. Then here 17 exists, 14 exists also. So at first we will write 14. Then 16 also exists here, 16. Then we will write 17. Then after 17 we will write now 19. Then 20. Then 21 and 22. 21, 22. Okay, total 9 data. We will count here 9 data exist or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 number of data is 11. Here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we have written all of data. Now we will find out the median. Median means the middle terms. Here 16 is the middle term because left side of 16 here 5 data exist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side of 16 here 5 data exist and right side of 16 also 5 data exists. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it will be median. Now we will write here number of data is 11, which is odd number. So using formula we have to find out the median, and it will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2th terms, that means 12 by 2th terms, that means 6th term. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6th term is 16. So answer will be 16. Here number of data is 11, which is an odd number, which is an odd number. Therefore median is equal to number of data 11. So here formula will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2th term. Now 11 plus 1 means 12 by 2th term. 12 by 2th term. Now 12 by 2th term means 6th term. Now the question is, what is the value of 6th term? We will count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. That means 6th term is 16. So now here we will write now 16. And this is the median of the given data. Answer will be 16. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SWO. Our today's SWO number is 21 number SWO, and the topic of SWO is chapter 8 CQ2. You have to do in SWO copy. CQ2 you have to do from chapter 8. I think you will be able to do your SWO properly. So do your SWO and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.